Good morning, students. I am Rajnish sir going to teach you geography. Get ready. In geography, we take resources as if chapter number 1. Resources. First, we discuss about resources. In our surrounding, we see lot of things, and all these things are resources. Even we are also resources. Even we are also resources. We are human resources. Okay. Now, define. Resources. Resources can be defined as a means of satisfying human needs or wants, whether by obtaining certain objectives directly or by applicable of human skills and technology. Resources make our lives possible and comfortable. Resources makes our life possible and comfortable. You know that, for example, cotton to make our clothes. By the use of wood we make furniture and lot of things, furniture, table, chair, and etc and etc. There are a lot of things. Types of resources are of two types: natural resources, man-made resources. Natural resources which are getting from nature, and man-made resources which made by human beings. So simple. Now, go with natural resources. Natural resources are of two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are of continuous nature, means it continues for a long time. Okay, renewable resources. And in non-renewable resources, there are two types of non-renewable resources: non-recyclable and recyclable. Means non-recyclable means it cannot be recyclable, means water cannot be recyclable, forest cannot be recyclable, and crops cannot be recyclable. In short term, crops example, in short term we say crops, in mid terms we say water, and long term forest. Recyclable materials, you know. It will be easy to understand by making this picture, so you must make this picture. By making this picture you will be easy to understand. Now, first we take as a natural resources. Natural resources. Earlier I say resources that are drawn from directly from nature: water, air, sunlight. Now, you know, it's so easy. Now, natural resources. Natural resources on the basis of four ways. First of all, on the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility, on the basis of development, on the basis of distribution. On the basis of origin means where natural resources is originated, where, and what type of origin. Means origin, biotic and abiotic. On the basis of origin, biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources is a living things. All living things is known as biotic resources, and all non-living things is also known as abiotic resources. For example, living things, example animals, birds, and non-living things, example soils and minerals. Okay. Now, go with exhaustibility. Exhaustibility, on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means renew for a long time, and it cannot be renewed, and at one time it can be depleted. Depleted means there has no existence. For example, of coal and petroleum, we can use coal and petroleum for a long period of times, but one day it can be exhausted. But sun, water, and air, in case of renewable resources, it cannot be exhausted. It cannot be. It goes for a longer and longer period. Okay. For example of renewable resources, solar energy from sunlight and non-renewable energy, example coal and petroleum. Okay students, you understand better? Today we discuss about origin and exhaustibility. On next class we discuss about development and distribution, and also detailed study of renewable and non-renewable resources. Now you must be write all these points in your copy. So good, we'll continue further studies in the next class. Okay, thank you.